Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. We are already doing another Empties video. I am like going through the products and I'm real excited about it. I'm telling you, these Empties videos, like, they motivate me to actually use up my things. I'm like, we're almost done, might as well finish it up. So we have another large bag of garbage to go through and to talk about, so grab a snack because we might be here for just a little while. Just going to reach in. There's never any rhyme or reason to this stuff. We just grab the garbage and talk about it. So there's going to be a lot of Bath & Body Works hand soaps in here. So this is a favorite, the Black Cherry Merlot. I really love this scent. It reminds me of like a super sweet, like cherry snow cone or something like that. It smells so good. So recommend that one for sure. This is, I've repurchased this. I've gone through several of these. The Aveeno Therapeutic Shave Gel. They have one that comes in a lighter blue with a lighter blue band on it. I prefer that one. This one is unscented. I prefer the scented one. It's very lightly scented. It smells super lightly vanilla-y. Very lightly vanilla-y. But I do like this one as well. This was a little sample thing of the Not Your Mother's Anti-Frizz Smooth Moves shampoo and conditioner. I liked these. They smelled fine. They didn't have too much of a fragrance to them. My hair felt really nice and smooth, so I don't, usually I'll just get one kind of shampoo and use it no matter how I'm going to style my hair, but I would purchase this, so I might even purchase it to see how it does with my curly hair, because I used this and then I styled it straight, which I realize it's really fuzzy right now, but this thing is making a giant mess everywhere. This is the Bath & Body Works You're the One Moisturizing Body Wash. I love their moisturizing body washes. This packaging though, I don't know if you can see, it's like it's on my thumb. It's like flaking off and it would get everywhere, so I'm really glad to be done with that. But I do really like this scent too. These are the Pampers Aqua Pure water wipes. I use these to wipe off makeup swatches, to like freshen up if it was hot outside and I'm not quite ready to get in the shower. If I get mosquito bites, I will use it, and it seriously helps with the itch. I'm super allergic to mosquito bites. Like, I don't just get like a bump, like it's a whole ordeal, and if I wipe them down really quick, these are handy to grab. So I do not like how these come out of the packaging. Like, you pull one and you get a whole bunch that come out. I've been trying the actual water wipe brand. I do like those as far as how they come out of the packaging better. You get one at a time. I wish the ones that I had this like hard plastic clasp, because they don't. They just have like the film. Anyway, I'm talking too long about some baby wipes. This is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Frizz Control Sculpting Gel. This is not the hard hole. This is the one right before that. I love this stuff when I style my hair curly. I've gone through several of these, so have repurchased, will repurchase. I'm no longer purchasing this. I've tried the Crest gum, not the detoxify, but like the gum health or something. I really enjoy that mouthwash, and I think it's doing better for my gums than this was doing. So anyway, this is the Orajel mouth sores. Didn't have mouth sores, but my hygienist said this was good for my irritated gums, and that's just what I was using at the time when I asked her about it. If they were out of the Crest one, I would buy this again, but I've really been liking the Crest one better. I don't have the shampoo one of this in here, I don't think. This is just a sample size of the Monday Smooth and for Frizzy or Dull Hair conditioner. It was fine. I wouldn't go out of my way to purchase this. This came in a Walmart beauty box. If you want to see when I got that, I'll try and remember to link that video down below where I talk about the Walmart subscription boxes. This is not an empty, but it's been open for about 3 years, and it's a mineral sunscreen from Australian Gold. This will not rub into my skin at all. It ruined a black bathing suit. I cannot get the white off of that, so unless you are like super fair, I would not recommend this at all. This is just a single Biore Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strip. It was fine. I don't particularly like pore strips, but I had it to use. It probably came in a Walmart box some time ago, and I'm just trying to use up all my stuff. I Again, this is a avocado hydrating repair leave-in men's and conditions from the brand Cantu. I like the brand Cantu. It's pretty affordable. It smells good. You can get it at Walmart. I liked this. This was fine. I prefer the Not Your Mother's line more than I do the Cantu brand, but it all depends on what you can get your hands on at the time. So this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. This was fine. I don't know that I would purchase this again. It didn't leave my hair feeling super clean. It almost made it too moisturized, if that's... I didn't ever feel like it was actually getting my hair that clean, so I don't know if I would purchase that again. This is the Soap & Glory Heal Genius Foot Cream. I've gone through several of these. I love this stuff for my feet. Just as like a maintenance lotion on my feet, especially now that we're in like sandal weather. So have repurchased, will repurchase. Really like this stuff. And a lot of time you can get it from Ulta for like buy one get one half off or something. This is the Gold Bond Pure Moisture Daily Body and Face Lotion. Anytime I get these sample sizes of body lotion or whatever, I will use them as hand lotion. I'll keep them beside the bed or I'll throw them in my purse. So this one was fine. I don't recall anything miraculous about it. It was just a fine lotion. And I know you're like, Jillian, there's still stuff in there. There's brow gel down to about here, but the spoolie does not go all the way to the bottom. The spoolie stops about there. I can't get any more out of it. So this is just the Pixie Brow Gel. It was a fine brow gel. I wouldn't purchase it again. I prefer the next one. This is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. I enjoy this. It took off my makeup really well. I would use it in the shower too. It was fine. It did not burn my eyes. So I think this is a pricier skincare line. I'm pretty sure I got it from Ipsy or BoxyCharm. But it was a good cleanser. I did like that. Here are some of the Kroger Nighttime Calming Makeup Removing Cleansing Cloths. These are my favorite makeup removing wipes if I'm going to use like a wet makeup remover wipe and not the dry cleansing cloths that you wet with water in the sink. I really like these. A lot of times you can get these for like $1.99 at Kroger when they're on sale. So I have a giant box of makeup remover wipes that I got from Sam, so it's going to be a long time before I need those. Go through these two things. This is a exfoliating mitt from I think EcoTools. I've used other ones in the past that were way more exfoliating than this one, so this was not a favorite, and I like to get rid of these, you know, a few times a year. And then this is my favorite body scrub. This is the Neutrogena Body Clear Body Scrub. This really helps. I haven't been using it. It really helps with any sort of like the KP on my arms and the backs of my legs. So this is the Jcat Stay Assurance Water Sealed Zero Smudge Concealer. I took the stopper out. I was using one of these silicone things to scrape it all out, and like I can see through the bottom of it, so I'm considering that done. I couldn't scrape any more off the sides. Like she's empty. Okay, this is, I'm going to have to repurchase this because this is like my favorite concealer I've used in a very, very long time. I have all these other concealers that I need to be using, and I kept wanting to use this, and now that it's gone, I'm super sad. If the lighting is wonky in this video, I apologize. It's cloudy, and sometimes there's sun, sometimes there's clouds. This is the Dr. Brandt Pore No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. I kept this in the shower. I know I got this in a subscription box of some kind. It smells disgusting, but I really liked it. I really feel like it cleaned my pores, and it will strip your skin, but go in with a moisturizer after. The whole point of this is to get all the gunk out of your skin, and I really, really like this stuff. Won't be upset if I get one again. This is the Ysl Shocking Eyeliner. They were having a sale, and then you got 2 free full-size lipsticks, and this was for YSL, pretty cheap. I wouldn't buy this again. It was not that good of an eyeliner. It dried up really quick. It wasn't very solid black, so save your money and buy like the Wet n Wild one. It's much better. It's a Tinkle eyebrow razor. You guys know I love to use these to shave my entire face, get all the peach fuzz, the dead skin off, clean up my eyebrows. I'm trying to get rid of my sideburns because they're gone right now. But when they grow out, they only get so long and they're short and curly because my hair is naturally pretty curly. It gets on my nerves, so I'm shaving them off. This is just some Neosporin. Use it all the time when I had my, like, all the sinus infections and head colds and stuff. You know, your nose gets really bad. And this really helped for that. Helps with mosquito bites. I mean, I use Neosporin more than I thought I would. This is a Real Technique sponge. It's just it was time for it to go. I also cut a chunk out of it to do some nail art one time. So it was time for it to go. This is one of the sample packets of the Mary Kay Time Wise Repair Revealing Radiance Peel. My sister gave me a whole bunch of these for my birthday, and I'd had some from probably Christmas or birthday before that. I'm enjoying these. I need to remember to use them like you're supposed to, but I also don't want to use them all up because it's really good skincare, but I highly recommend this stuff. Face felt so soft afterwards. This is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Defining Cream. You can get a travel size of this, the gel, and the mousse for $9.99 from Ulta, and this is just from that kit. I love this curl cream. It's fantastic. Have repurchased, will repurchase. This is the mousse from that travel kit. Curl Talk Curl Activating Mousse. Love the mousse. This is the Dr. Jart Ceramide Cream. This was fine. It's so small. It's for your whole face. It's so small you can't really get a grip on if it's going to do much for your skin, but it did not irritate my skin. So I do know that. I know this is pricey skincare, so if I got that again, I would not be upset. This is the Awake Glow Pill Super Serum. I think this is a line from Tarte. I liked this serum. It tingled some if I had just like shaved my face and stuff, so I'm not sure. I think there's like hyaluronic acid and all kinds of stuff in there, so it was fine. I think you can get it from Ulta too. This is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, just like a deluxe sample size. I like the Briogeo line. This is a Relief and Relax CBD oil, THC free. I've been taking this for well over 3 years now. I just placed a new order, so talk to your doctor about it, but I use it for relief and relaxing. This is the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Eye Cream. I cut tubes open most of the time so I can get in there and scrape it all out, so I'm making sure I'm using everything up. I would not purchase this again. It took me forever to use, and I don't feel like it did anything for the darkness under my eyes, for puffiness, for wrinkles or fine line. No. But it wasn't cheap. Even for drugstore skincare, it wasn't cheap. And so I wanted to make sure I used it all. This is a teeny tiny sample size of the Saint-Tropez Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist. I love these. I've been buying the Ulta brand and then the B-Tan brand. I love this kind of stuff. This is way more pricey than that, but I would not be upset to get this again. I just, I'll spray it on my face, usually at night before I do all of my skincare. I'll let it kind of dry a little bit, or I'll fan it so it dries faster, and then I'll put my skincare on top, and then by the morning, I have a little bit of a glow to my skin. I soak it down, and I get all my neck and chest and everything too. Make sure you get like the sides, because you'll be able to tell if you don't. And wash your hands after you put your skincare on if you've used that, because it will turn your hands orange, but that's what that stuff does. Anyway, this is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. It's just a sample size. I'm sorry about the lighting. I know you're not going to be able to see every little bit of writing on tubes. It's just the way it is today. I like this stuff. It does a good job on my skin. This is the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment from Sunday Riley. I really enjoyed this stuff. I've tried several things from Sunday Riley, and I've really liked everything that I've gotten from them. Again, that stuff comes in like beauty subscription boxes. I'm not out here buying that expensive skincare. I'm tossing this. This is not completely empty, but it was so messy to use. Powder got everywhere. This is the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder. This is just a tiny one. I've gone through a full size before. I don't know if my skin has changed or just the concealers that I'm using are different, and it didn't react well. This made my under eyes look so cakey, and it was a mess to use, so we're giving it up. I just have a few more things. This is also not completely empty, but it started like spitting big water droplets at me no matter what I did. This is the MAC Fix Plus in the lavender scent. I would not buy this again. This is the B-Tan. I want the darkest tan possible. 1 hour self-tan mousse. I do not leave these on for 1 hour. I will leave them on overnight and well into the next day before I rinse them off. I love the B-Tan brand. You can get it from Walmart. You can get it from Ulta, Amazon, their website. You can usually buy it from Ipsy as well. Sometimes they'll have sale bundles on there. I love this self-tanner. It's fantastic. And you can't really get the price. And I feel like it lasts a decent amount of time on me as well. 4 more things, people. This is the Blackberries and Basil Gentle Foaming Hand Soap from Bath & Body Works. I didn't care for this scent. I thought it would be more basil-y. It was more berry-y, and I wasn't a fan. So I will not get that one again. And then this is the Watermelon Lemonade. I love the Watermelon Lemonade scent from Bath & Body Works or White Barn, whatever. I like this one. I'll purchase that one again. And then this I've had for a very long time, and it started to get like just too clumpy, and it was leaving clumps in my hair that wouldn't come out. So this is the Cantu Shea Butter Moisturizing Twist and Lock Gel. Their stuff smells delicious, like tropical, coconutty, so good. But it had been open for too long. It had been a long time since I had done curly hair, and it'd been open too long. Last thing is this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Sheer. The Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion Sheer Hydration Nourishes Your Skin. I really like this lotion. I've got a different Aveeno lotion back there that I don't like it. It's not sticky, but it kind of makes my skin too tacky, and I just don't like it. And plus it's a teeny tiny bottle, and I need way more than I needed of this. Anyway, once I'm done with that lotion, I'll purchase this one again. You can just get it from Walmart for like $8 or $9, but I really like this lotion. It did not burn my legs. That stuff burns my legs back there. So anyway, that's it. The bag is empty except for little pieces from that one shower gel. So I am going to let you guys go. If this whole entire appearance looks familiar to you, that's because I've already filmed a video in this exact same thing, and I didn't care to bother to change it. So it's just what you're gonna get here. This is a one-woman show. I'm not here to provide television. I'm here to provide information, and I hope you learned something from me, or at least maybe you're a little entertained. I don't know. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.